So there are many ways of exporting data within RMSP. More explanation is available on the Introduction to RMSP playlist. In this case, we are using pickles, and pickles are good for short-term storage. What I mean by that is that if a notebook is going to be run immediately after another notebook, so it is very convenient to use pickles to save it now so that we can load it in the next notebook that we are going to run in the workflow. However, if we want any of these results to be saved for long-term storage, so a year from now, I want to be able to come and load my composites and have the exact same data that I had at this time, then pickle becomes less of a good object to save for long-term storage. In that case, we would be looking at CSVs, HDFs, or other file format that is good for long-term storage. So just keep in mind that I'm using pickles here because I know I'm just going to load this data in the next steps of the workflow, and this is not long-term storage. So in order to export the data, we are creating a folder for the output. In this case, is output underscore. We create that folder with the make underscore dir function from RMSP. Once these 2 lines of code is run, the folder is created, and then we are saving the grid with the toPickle function where we just need to provide the file. We are saving the composites using the toPickle function as well. And for objects that do not have the toPickle function, we can use rmsp.toPickle and pass all the objects that we want to save on that pickle. And the second parameter is the file name. We do that for soft composites as well. So let's go ahead and run this function, the cell. So all the files are saved on this output and are ready to be accessed by other steps of the workflow. Additional reading regarding the topics that are covered on this notebook are provided below. We do encourage you to go check it out and read more about all these steps. So that concludes the data processing and EDA for this workflow.